result of the snowstorm last night, actually we didn't expect that we have this 6 inches or more. We just expect 4.
Look at the mountains. Show the mountains. Show the beauty of.
Yeah, that's the view of our. Yeah, I just focusing here.
There we go.
See?
Look at the beauty. Look at the mountains. Look how white they are. Look how beautiful everything is.
I feel like December.
Yeah. It feels like Christmas all over again.
Yeah, because last year December.
Keep it going small, Lisa.
Okay. See, this is our view from our second floor. The mountain. And it's look like December again. Advanced December, my love. And look at 4 pine tree in front of us. See? And that is the mountain. And that is the Three Sister there. You see the three mountain, Rocky Mountain that we call here Three Sister. It's a very well-known mountain. Some hikers but no one's climbing there, right?
No, not right now. Just ice climbing.
No, during summer.
Just ice climbing now. Where there's
Ice climbing.
waterfalls. They go up the waterfalls when they're frozen. Climbing.
So I feel like December again.
Come on over and look at this, honey. Over here, next door. It's beautiful.
Really?
Yeah, come on. Take a look.
No, this next. And look at this one, the tree. This is in front of our dining area. That is our next house from us. Look at the tree and look at the house, and on the mountain there. Wow, my love. Yeah. See? It's December again, my love. Right? Not really. It should be spring, and then I feel bad for the grass and plants and the bushes because they should be starting.
Yeah, some 3 or 4 days this may be gone. All we need is a few days of sun.
Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. We're heading out now. My husband drive me to work. And what he said last night, today will be white and white. White.
Now, have you ever seen anything this beautiful? Isn't it absolutely spectacular? When the snow is fresh and white and everything is clean, everything looks so beautiful.
But my love, they already put salt on the road or flour.
No, they plowed it. A sweeper came along probably, or they plowed it. Because underneath last night when it was wet snow, see the big chunks there, Lisa?
Yeah.
Even when I was cleaning the driveway, it's all wet underneath. The top part is all powder, but the bottom is all wet, so it's really heavy and chunky. But they came by and plowed it all. This won't last very long, but the people are certainly getting a beautiful idea of how nice it is in the mountains in winter time and Christmas time with all the snow.
Look at the snow, the big jump. Red light, my love.
Look at the middle of the road, see?
Yeah. Look at that car. See? And it's very slushy. When the snow in the middle of the road will be melting, it's really slushy and it's not good to clean your car.
It's good to get your car dirty, not to clean it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not really good to clean.
And right now, we're almost on time.
But it's red, my love.
See how much I love you. I take chances. I go through red lights. I'm liable to get a ticket.
I really cut this because it's not good example. And that is the Nipple Mountain. Nipple Mountain. Look at that.
That one there is.
Yeah, the Nipple. Look at this chunk of mountain of snow here.
This road was almost all gone, Lisa.
Yeah, now we're starting over again to clean. See you guys, I'm here.